Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on all things UK immigration. If you're a non-UK resident planning to visit or stay in the UK, then this video is a must-watch for you. Today, we're diving into the exciting news about the new UK eVisa system and the end of biometric residence permits, BRPs, in the UK. Stick around to find out everything you need to know. But before we delve into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's get into it. If you've ever travelled to the UK, you're probably familiar with the Biometric Residence Permit, or BRP. This card serves as proof of your right to stay, study, or work in the UK. However, exciting changes are on the horizon. The UK government has announced the rollout of the new UK eVisa system, which will replace the traditional BRP cards. This means no more worrying about carrying around a physical card or waiting weeks for it to arrive in the mail. With the new eVisa, the entire process will be faster, more efficient, and hassle-free. Imagine breezing through immigration with just a few taps on your smartphone. That's the future with the UK's eVisa system. Whether you're coming for tourism, business, or to reunite with loved ones, the eVisa will streamline your journey and make your experience smoother than ever before. Now, you might be wondering, how does this affect me? Well, if you're a non-UK resident planning to visit or stay in the UK, this news is especially relevant to you. Say goodbye to the days of waiting anxiously for your BRP card to arrive in the mail. With the new eVisa system, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your immigration process is taken care of swiftly and securely. So, when can you expect this change to take effect? The rollout of the new UK eVisa system is just around the corner, with implementation expected in the coming months. Stay tuned to our channel for updates on the official launch date and how to apply for your eVisa. That wraps up today's video on the exciting news about the new UK eVisa system and the end of biometric residence permits in the UK. If you found this information helpful and want to stay up to date on all things immigration related, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Don't miss out on future updates.